Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next item to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is underneath my daughter's desk. She has all sorts of things plugged in. She's got an iPhone here. She's got an iPad here. She's got another little thing that goes up to a mirror, where she's got a lit mirror, but it's all USB. Now, here's the problem. She's almost out of ports. This plug that they gave us is actually too round, too big. It blocks out other plugs. It's just kind of a mess, and it's not real easy to go ahead and manage. Here is the solution. Check these out. This is one hub, one power block, nice and thin, that has up to 4 different charging ports. It has 2 USB-A charging ports and 2 USB-C charging ports. All you do, this one block will replace these 3 blocks right here. This is great. Watch this. I'm going to take everything out. Again, notice this is too wide. I can put this one right next to another one, right there like that. And what I can do is I can just plug everything in to this one single block, freeing up more power on the side, making it more convenient to go ahead and use. And the nice thing about this is that a lot of chargers are now starting to do this USB-C thing. USB-C is the little tiny one. There we go, USB-C. I've got 2 ports there. There we go. Everything is now just through one block. As you can see, it's just a 2-prong plug. And again, you do get 4 ports on this. This is really cool. You can charge all 4 things at once. So this is fine. She's got 3 right here, but when she has a friend come over and want to go ahead and charge something else, she can just plug it into that USB-C, and they're charging their phone or their iPad or whatever, and we got everything right there. The really cool part is this thing will charge up to 40 watts. On the side of it, it actually shows you all sorts of little charging scenarios and how fast you're going to, or essentially how much wattage you're going to put out depending upon what you have plugged in here. So it's actually kind of a nice little guide just built right onto the block. The block just fits in there. It is nice and small. It has 4 different ports. It takes up a lot less space. It is narrow. I just really like this thing. It really is cool, and it comes with a 2-pack. So that's wonderful because you get 2 of these things, so you can use one in one room, one in another room. That's fine. We all have a lot of electronics to charge, and having all those power blocks all over the place is just no fun. This thing makes it convenient. It fits into a nice tight space. It allows you to charge a whole bunch of things at once. There's no more switching cords. This is one cool little charging block, and because it's a 2-pack, that makes it even more cool. Highly recommended.